While many plants wind down for a rest, others are just getting started. Today, we're diving deep into the top 15 plants that boast brilliant blossoms in the autumn months. If you're aiming for a fall garden that's bursting with color, you're in the right place. One. Chrysanthemums. Chrysanthemums, or mums, are the quintessential fall flowers. Available in a variety of colors like deep burgundy, vibrant orange, and sunny yellow, they provide a rich palette for any autumn garden. Their robust, full blooms make them ideal for borders or as cheerful container plants. 2. Asters. Asters are a gardener's delight, bursting with star-shaped flowers in hues of purple, blue, and white. They're not only a visual treat, but also attract butterflies and bees, making your garden a pollinator's paradise. 3. Japanese anemone. Japanese anemones are autumn stunners with their graceful, wind-swaying stems topped with delicate petals in shades of pink, white, or magenta. They prefer partial shade, making them perfect for those less sunny spots in your garden. 4. Goldenrod. Goldenrod brings a burst of bright yellow to the autumn garden. Their feathery, cascading blooms create a wildflower-like charm and are great for adding vertical interest. 5. Sedum. Sedums are succulent perennials with fleshy leaves and clusters of tiny star-shaped flowers. As the season progresses, their colors deepen, providing an evolving display of beauty in your garden. 6. Witch hazel. Witch hazel is a late autumn bloomer, producing unique, fragrant yellow flowers that resemble little bursts of fireworks. Beyond their beauty, they're known for their medicinal properties. 7. Colchicum. Often mistaken for crocuses, colchicums surprise gardeners with their sudden appearance in fall. Their vibrant purple blooms are a welcome contrast to the usual autumn colors. 8. Toad lily. Toad lilies are exotic-looking with their spotted, orchid-like flowers in shades of purple, pink, or white. They thrive in shade and add a touch of the tropics to cooler autumn days. 9. Helenium. Heleniums, also known as sneezeweed, are hardy perennials with daisy-like flowers in warm tones. Their long-lasting blooms are perfect for extending the color in your garden. 10. Beautyberry. Although not a flower, the beautyberry shrub deserves a spot for its eye-catching, vibrant purple berries that form in clusters along arching stems. They're a striking addition to any autumn landscape. 11. Russian sage. Russian sage is known for its wispy lavender-blue flowers and silvery foliage. It's drought-tolerant and thrives in full sun, making it a low-maintenance choice for a fall garden. 12. Turtlehead. Named for their unique bloom shape, turtleheads produce bright, hood-shaped flowers that add a pop of color. They prefer moist soil, making them ideal for garden spots near water features. 13. Monkshood. Monkshood stands out with its tall spikes of deep blue or purple hooded flowers. It's a perfect backdrop plant, adding height and drama to your garden's autumn display. 14. Hardy cyclamen. Hardy cyclamen are charming with their butterfly-like flowers in shades of pink and white. They naturalize easily, creating a beautiful ground cover that heralds the arrival of fall. 15. Mountain fleece. Mountain fleece is known for its tall spires of fluffy pink or white flowers. They're great for adding texture and movement, swaying gracefully in the autumn breeze. That's our roundup of 15 spectacular plants to keep your garden's charm alive during the autumn. Which of these beauties are you planning to add to your garden this fall? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Garden Club. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!